Bulavanaka and Nyandra, everybody. We are here with Christina Watkins, one of our solo artists here at Resonance Entertainment. And without further ado, can we just have an introduction? Your name, your stage name, where you're from, and how this whole journey began for you.
Bulavanaka, everybody. My name is Christina Watkins, stage name XTINA, and I've been with Resonance for going on 5 years. Yeah, so started off just like every other musicians in Fiji, church, pretty much. Gospel takes a big part of everyone's music journey. So yeah, and then it took off from there.
So it started off with church. Were you in the choir? Did it start off from singing choruses at Sunday school? Did your mom give you a guitar? What's the whole story behind that?
Our church actually had a full-piece band. Oh. So there was 3 to 4 people singing. So I kind of got a passion from there, and then slowly made my way out.
And then Resonance, and then being 5 years with Resonance, I understand you're one of the solo artists. You're not a part of any of our bands, Marama. You're also debuting one of your songs.
Most definitely.
And could you just explain to me, explain to our viewers the whole process of things?
So the debut album the debut song that I'll be covering is called Marama Ni Natokalau, which is by Georgina Ledua. It's definitely a song that I would say you wouldn't find it anywhere on probably YouTube or Spotify's. So I'm really excited about that song.
It's like a song,
Definitely.
like gets you all groovy. So when Cookie approached you, what was going on in your head? Like, okay, this is your first song, your debut with Resonance Entertainment, like coming down to Suva, making the trips down. Thank you again for that. So what was your reaction when Cookie approached you?
I was actually nervous, and I'm not much of a person that, how do I put it, likes the spotlight.
Okay, yeah.
I was kind of nervous at first, but going into studio and having Cookie there, being a person who knows what he's doing, so I felt pretty comfortable settling in and just getting with the flow with the song and everything. So it was pretty exciting by the end of it.
That's the one. Good, keeping it positive and everything. And it's also beautiful to see you stepping out there, because I understand that you also perform contract gigs for Resonance. Yes. Could you tell us where you perform and explain more on that?
So we currently perform at the Shangri-La. So we have the contract for 5 nights, and then Intercontinental. So it's just the back and forth, and yeah, it keeps everything fresh. The music, the crowd.
And you're based, where are you based actually?
I'm actually based in Singapore.
Oh, so it's just very, very close. And might I ask, where are you from? You go Marama Ni?
I am from Taliavu.
That's the one.